Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitHub Copilot for coding automation in projects, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure GitHub Copilot for coding automation in your projects, start by ensuring you have a GitHub account.
Next, navigate to the GitHub website and log in.
Once logged in, access the GitHub Copilot page in the GitHub Marketplace. Check the Copilot requirements to ensure your environment is compatible. Click the Install button to add GitHub Copilot to your account. You may need to grant specific permissions for Copilot to function correctly. After installation, open your preferred code editor, such as Visual Studio Code.
In Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions panel located on the sidebar.
Search for GitHub Copilot in the Extensions Marketplace.
Find the GitHub Copilot extension and click Install.
Once installed, you may need to reload the editor to activate the extension. After reloading, sign in to GitHub within Visual Studio Code when prompted. This will link your GitHub account to the Copilot extension.
Once connected, open a new or existing code file in your project. Start writing a comment describing what you want to code.
For instance, type create a function to reverse a string. GitHub Copilot will automatically suggest code snippets based on your.
You can cycle through the suggestions by pressing the Tab key. Select the suggestion that best fits your needs. Modify the code as necessary to suit your project's requirements.
Continue using comments to guide Copilot for additional code sections. For example, you can write tests for the reviewing function to generate unit tests. GitHub Copilot learns from your coding style over time. Make sure to review its suggestions for accuracy and security. To turn off Copilot temporarily, navigate to the GitHub Copilot settings in your editor. You can also adjust the suggestion frequency to match your workflow. Explore the documentation for advanced features and tips on usage. Utilizing GitHub Copilot can significantly speed up your coding process. Remember to experiment with different types of comments for varied suggestions. As you gain experience, you'll discover how to harness its full potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.